Hello, dear friends. Warm welcome you all. In today's video of English literature, we are going to discuss here important Victorian age writers. And earlier uploaded video on this channel of Victorian age, we had discussed the important novelists of this era. And in this video, we will cover all other important writers, poets who were very much inclined, who had written literary works in this particular age of Victorian era. Let's begin that. And before starting the video, I want to remind you all that please, friends, join the membership of this channel. After joining the membership, you will be benefited by the PDFs of these videos, uploaded videos on this channel, and also you will get the English literature notes for your exam point of view, for your graduation and post graduation exams, whatever topics had been covered in there. I had made all the important notes related to that. Please join the membership. You can check out the link of that membership in the description box. Please go there and see the what the terms and conditions had been applied for the membership. Please check out that, and let's begin this important topic. And friends, here we have the first poet of this period, Victorian age, that is Robert Browning, who was born on 7th May 1812 and died on December 12, 1889. This is the time duration of Robert Browning. And he was an English poet, playwright, and he was especially famous for his dramatic monologues. Yes, friends, this was one of the important thing that made him the foremost Victorian poet, and this made him popular in English literature. How brilliantly he had used dramatic monologue in his poetic volumes, in his literary works, that is above all, and that is very very clear and very very fascinating. And here we have the important poetry volumes of Robert Browning. Pippa Passes, this is play, and because he was also the playwright and he had written plays, and this was published in 1841. Porphyria's Lover, My Last Duchess, The Lost Leader, Christmas Eve, Easter Day, which was published in 1850, Men and Women 1855 में ये publish हुई है. Andrea del Sarto, The Last Ride Together, and this is very important poem, The Last Ride Together. And Rabbi Ben Ezra, Prospice, one of the important poem of English literature. Ring, The Ring and the Books, which was published in 1668 to 1669 के मिड में ये publish हुई है. These all are very important literary works of Robert Browning, and in most of the poetic volumes, in most of his compositions like My Last Duchess and Prospice, Rabbi Ben Ezra, Last Ride Together, he had used dramatic monologue very brilliantly. Now, let's discuss another poet of this era, that was Alfred Lord Tennyson. Yes, friends, he was born in 6th August 1809 and died on 6th October 1892. This is the time duration of Alfred Lord Tennyson, and he was British poet and poet laureate. Yes, friends, he was appointed by the British government as a poet laureate, and this was the position, this was the post given to the poet for his brilliant works, for his so that he can serve English government also. And during much of Victorian Queen Victoria reigned, and he remains the most popular British poet. During the time of the Queen Victoria, he was awarded, he was appointed as a poet laureate, and this was the time when he had done great works, and he was the most popular poet of that era during the time of the Queen Victoria. And his most famous poems we have chiefly lyrical 1830 में पब्लिश हुई है. द लोटस ईटर्स, ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट पोएम है अल्फ्रेड लॉर्ड टेनिसन की. द लेडी ऑफ शैलॉट, ये भी बहुत ही 1832 में पब्लिश हुई है. यूलिसिस वी हैव, दिस इज अ पोएम. यस फ्रेंड्स, यूलिसिस एक अदर वर्क है, जेम्स जॉयसी ने लिखी है, दैट इज प्ले, बट दिस इज यूलिसिस. दिस इज अ पोएटिक कॉम्पोजिशन ऑफ एल्फ्रेड लॉर्ड टेनिसन. 1833 में पब्लिश हुई है. इन मेमोरियम ऑफ AHH, this is the elegy written by Tennyson, and Adults of the King and the Princess. Princess is also one of the important work of Alfred Lord Tennyson. एंड दीज वी हैव द इम्पोर्टेंट वर्क्स एंड फ्रेंड्स, एक चीज़ मैं आपको बताना चाहती हूँ, जैसे कि अभी मैंने यहाँ पे बहुत ही ब्रीफली डिस्कस किया है सभी पोएट्स को, उनके पोएटिक कॉम्पोजिशन को, बट इन लेटर ऑन वीडियोज, इन कमिंग वीडियोज, वी विल डिस्कस ऑल दैट पोएट एंड इम्पोर्टेंट राइटर्स ऑफ द एवरी ईयर in a detailed way, so that you can understand the conditions, how, in what conditions they had written literary works, and what poetic works of theirs belong to which category. We will all discuss that in our coming videos in a detailed way. But here I had only mentioned important things, important poetic compositions of the poet, because of the timing, that this video would not be too much longer, too much time taking. That's why I have included only important facts related to them. Let's begin. Let's We have the another poet of the this age, and next we have Gerald Manley Hopkins. He was born on 28 July 1844 and died on 8 June 1889. This is the time duration of G.M. Hopkins. He was English poet, Jesuit priest, whose posthumous fame established him among the leading Victorian poet. Yes, friend, G.M. Hopkins was not very popular when he was living in the Victorian age, but after the death of G.M. Hopkins, he became one of the important poet of Victorian era. And his most important works we have including here: Winsley, Poplars, Pied Beauty, the Wind Hover, and To the Christ our Lord. This is very important work of G.M. Hopkins. The Wreck of the Deutschland. This is also one of the important work of the G.M. Hopkins. Next we have Algernon Charles Swinburne, जिनको हम AC Swinburne के नाम से जानते हैं. He was born on 5th April 1837 में पैदा हुए हैं, and 10th April in 1909 he was died on this age, this year. He was English poet, playwright, novelist, critic. Yes, friends, AC Swinburne has a multi-talented person, multi-talented literary figure of Victorian age, because he had written poetic compositions, also drama, novels, and he was critic of this age. He wrote several novels and collections of poetry such as poems and the ballads. This is the poetic collection of the A.C. Swinburne, and contributed to the famous 11th edition of the Encyclopedia Britannica. Yes, this is important fact related to A.C. Swinburne, that he contributed to 11th edition of the Encyclopedia Britannica. And Swinburne's poetic works we have Atlanta in Cledon 1865 में ये पब्लिश हुई है. पोएम्स एंड बैलेट्स 1866 में ये पब्लिश हुई है. एंड सॉन्ग्स बिफोर सनराइज 1871 में ये पब्लिश हुई है. नॉवेल्स लेस्बिया ब्रैंडॉन पब्लिश पोस्टमाउसली इन 1952 में पब्लिश हुई है. बहुत ही टाइम बाद, उनके डेथ के बहुत ही टाइम बाद ये वर्क जो है, उनका नॉवल जो है लेस्बिया ब्रैंडॉन, पब्लिश हुई है. एंड द क्वीन मदर 1860 में पब्लिश हुई है. रोजामॉन्ड 1860 में पब्लिश हुई है. एंड ऑल्सो क्रिटिकल जो वर्क्स इन्होंने लिखे हुए हैं, दैट इज विलियम ब्लेक अ क्रिटिकल एसे 1868 में पब्लिश हुई है. उसका न्यू एडिशन जो था दैट वाज पब्लिश इन 1906. एसेज एंड स्टडीज 1865 में पब्लिश हुई है. आ स्टडी ऑफ शेक्सपियर 1860 में पब्लिश हुई है. एंड स्टडी ऑफ बेन जॉनसन 1889 में ये पब्लिश हुई है. एंड द एज ऑफ शेक्सपियर that was published in 1800 1908. And here we have another literary figure of Victorian era, and he that was most of Samuel Butler. Critical works. He was born on 4th December 1835 and died on 18 June 1902. Here he was iconoclastic English author. Now let's discuss of the utopian satirical novel Erewhon. Yes, friends, this is very important work of the Samuel Butler, which was published in 1872, and this is a utopian satirical novel related to the British government, and the semi-autobiographical work Bilder Stroman and the Way of All Flesh. Yes, this is also one of the important work of Samuel Butler, and it was published after the death of Samuel Butler in 1903. 1903 में ये publish हुई है इनकी work. Next we have William Wilkie Collins, born on 8th January 1824 and died on 23rd September 1889, was an English novelist, playwright known for his important work, The Women in White. Yes, friends, this is important work of Wilkie Collins that was published in 1859, and The Moonstone 1868 पे published हुई है. The last has been called the modern English detective novel. The Moonstone is called the modern detective novel. On publishing his first novel, Antonina, in 1850, Antonina, The Fall of Rome, 1850, Basil, Gabriel Marriage, short story इन्होंने जो लिखी हुई है, Hide and the Seek, The Dead Secret, After Dark, and a short story collection, The Frozen Deep, which was published in 1857. And this was written with the Charles Dickens. It was the co-playwright of this work. The Frozen Deep was Charles Dickens himself, who was the great novelist of this era. Next, we have Alfred Edward Houseman. He was born on 26th March 1859 and died on 30th April 1936, known as A.E. Houseman. Yes, man. Yes, he is known as A.E. Houseman, and he was English classical scholar and poet. And his cycle of poems we have the Shropshire Lad, wistfully evoke the dooms and the disappointment of youth in the English countryside. Yes, friends, a Shropshire Lad, which was related to the disappointed youth in the English countryside, and he had a poetic collection we have here. A Shropshire Lad, published in 1896. लास्ट पोएम जो उनका कलेक्शन था 1922 में पब्लिश हुआ है. And another poet we have important literary figure, George Augustus Murray, G.A. Murray, born on 24th February 1852 and died on 21st January 1933, was an Irish novelist, short story writer, and poet, art critic, memoirist, dramatist. He was also multi-talented literary figure of this era. And important works we have Flowers of Passion, Martin Luther, A Tragedy in Five Acts. This was the work as a dramatist he has written Martin Luther, A Tragedy in Five Acts, A Modern Lover, A Murmur's Wife, Literature at Nurse, and Confession of a Young Man. These are the important works of G.A. Murray. Next we have Walter Horatio Pater. Yes, friends, this he was born on 4th August 1839 and died on 30th July 1894. Was an English essayist, literary critic, art critic, fiction writer. Regarded as one of the greatest stylists, his works on Renaissance and this subject were very popular but controversial in his time. And the Renaissance studies in art of poetry is the important work. In his philosophical novel, The Myers, The Epicurean and Imagery Portrait. This is the philosophical novel of Horatio Pater, Walter Pater. In 1889, Peter published Appreciation. Yes, friends, Appreciation जो work था इनका, that is very important work with an essay on style, a collection of previously printed essays on literature. This is very important work of Walter Pater. And next we have John Ruskin, and he was a critic, born on 8th February 1819, died on 20th January 1900, was leading English art critic of the Victorian era, as well as an art patron, draftsman, Walter colorist and philosopher, prominent social thinker and philanthropist. Modern painters he has written in 1843 unto this last years. This is very famous work and a collection of essays. that was written on economy. And to this last is an essay and book of on economy by John Ruskin, first published between August and December 1860. So friends, in this video we have very briefly discuss all the important poets and writers of the Victorian era, and we have made two videos on that. One is related to the important novelists, and then here we have one. This in this I had included only important writers and poets, and on the Victorian novelists related to that video, there you will get only the important novelists of this era. You will get the link in I button. Click, check out that video also, and also watch out the other videos uploaded on this channel. If you want any kind of topic, please comment me. And thank you very much